Hey guys, we're back in the shop. Today I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about the roll cage mower build because basically I took the other mower apart. I don't know if you saw the other video, but basically what was happening is I had another mower and I was going to take the engine and slap it into this Mower over here. But basically what happened is I took all the belts off. It basically had no compression. So now it's just going to stay in the trailer and I'm going to have to find another engine for that. I just wanted to give you guys that update because that project is going to sit there for a while because I'm going to have to figure out another engine to go into the Mower. So if you see the other video, that the two mowers were sitting right here, but there's another project right under me that I'm going to make another video about. So I'll keep you guys posted. I have a bunch of other videos on my channel. Be sure to check my channel out. I have a lot of other stuff I do. I've got like go-kart videos, mini bike videos. I made a wooden go-kart. Be sure to like this video. Please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. And I'll see y'all next time.